sides can even the odds of this handicap match with Kevin Owens. And you hope they're feeling confident tonight because they've got to deal with Jey Uso and Jimmy Uso.
The odds firmly stacked on one side of this deck here. I'm curious to see how it plays out as this match progresses.
That kind of focused attack on the leg could provide dividends.
Chop block turns the tide on their offense. Tossed into the corner.
Got them right in the corner.
Elbow drop.
Oh, wicked kick to the lower back.
Lands an elbow.
If you're on the wrong end of a handicap match, you have to get crafty. The only way you'll beat the numbers game is by finding ways to divide your opponents and take them down one by one.
That might be easier said than done, Corey, but you're right that taking on multiple opponents at once is a recipe for failure. Heads outside, but this one has to end in the ring. He's back into the ring. Out of the ring, what's his plan here? And for main event Jey Uso, this is as much about a mental advantage as a physical one. He's doing a whole lot of gesturing, and it could cost him. Watch out! Sure, he's pumping himself up, but he's also giving his opponent a chance to recover. Supreme confidence here from Jimmy Uso, but he is giving his opponent a lot of time here. And now Jey is getting beaten down.
Somehow Jey's got to turn the momentum around. What a headbutt.
Vicious. This match grinded him down a little. He heads outside. Countouts legal in this match.
I see how it is. Going to take any shortcut to bypass a clean competition.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with a shortcut, Saxton.
Taking this outside. This could be good. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered. Oh, boy, come on. Not the chair.
There's a special word that I can't say on air for that type of slap.
Hey, keep things T for team, Corey.
Smash! Kevin Owens is in command right now.
Owens is looking unstoppable. And that might be the start of the momentum swing that Jey needed.
The Jey cover. Ain't a 2 count there.
He clearly has no intention of staying down.
He's got the target acquired. Just a matter of moments.
Clutch out to the outside.
That's finding any which way to topple the competition.
Hurling your own body like that is insane.
Straight to the floor.
Taken to the air and completely wiping out.
This match is spilled out to the ringside area. And as we can see, tension's really running high now.
Yeah, we should probably clear the way, guys.
Coming back in the ring. Boom! What a slap!
Jey might be getting too cocky here. Could come back to haunt him.
Able to get the advantage here. Owens taking in another punishing attack there.
Yeah, but at this point in a handicap match, you have to expect some lasting damage. Considering the situation, things could be far worse.
And this might not have a pleasant ending. Oh, what a shock of the ear.
That's right, put your ones up in the air for main event Jey Uso.
Like around into a neck breaker. Jey taking his offense to the top rope.
Up high.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Blocked out of the air. He finds a counter for Jey. Into the ring again.
He's able to fend off the attack.
Seeing an answer for every move attempted.
And he's taking this to the outside now.
And what a reversal from Jey Uso.
Heads out of the ring, but needs to be mindful of the referee's count here.
Jimmy Uso just trying to humiliate his opponent now.
Caught an elbow to the gut for that effort. Forearm smash! He is... No! Oh, God, that's a bad landing.
Brash to decision-making there proved to be extremely detrimental.
Can you recover from such an error? You have to wonder.
Jimmy Uso with a Samoan drop. He's going for the pin. This could be it. Into the pay window. Wow.
Swinging the elbow to halt the offense.
Oh, low tackle. Vicious right forearm.
Makes him pay with a counter. Forearm smash.
Whoa, countering with a chop block will alter any attack.
Oh, saw it coming. Ooh, what a damaging blow.
Jimmy Uso just trying to humiliate his opponent now.
Kevin Owens has him set up. Fall away, package power bomb. It's been a hard-hitting affair here tonight.
These competitors are going to have trouble walking on their own after this one.
DDT. Look at this.
Isolating the arm.
Jimmy's looking helpless to every attack.
This is Uso's perseverance getting tested.
Hopped up.
Samoa drop by Jey Uso. It could be over here.
This is it.
And he fights it off.
I am in shock. What's it going to take to keep this guy down?
He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan.
A quick response to Jay's offense. He climbs into the ring.
Right to the kidneys from behind.
Neck breaker. Heads out of the ring. What's next?
Taking a trip outside, but he's got to be mindful of the count.
Jey Uso feeling confident, not backing down even a little bit here. Connecting on the DDT. Owens intercepts it.
He went right into that turnbuckle. Showing no regard for their opponent's well-being now, perched on the middle rope.
Diving headbutt. Ooh, that knee knocking the wind out of him.
Smash! Oh my God, look at this. They're setting him up. Suplex. He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
Strong kick out late into the match.
Better hold off on the victory parade.
Hip drop.
I've been waiting to see that. Shot after shot, then slamming their face down. Top rope. Uso with the Uso splash. Owens is in some serious trouble.
The muscle memory's got to be taken over now. Pure instinct to kick out before 3.
Main event, Jey Uso with a close call right there. He definitely thought he had that one in the bag. The WWE Universe has come alive in this one.
They are up and they are vocal. A lot of energy in the room.
An impressive sequence from Jey.
Yeah, Uso is firing on all cylinders. Oh, heavy duty right hand. Strong kick. My goodness.
Supreme confidence here from Jimmy Uso, but he is giving his opponent a lot of time here. He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle.
Uso.
Uso splashed by Jey. Will Jey take advantage? Top rope. Uso splash.
Jimmy might have just finished things.
2. He wins! He wins! The advantage is never where you think it is in handicap matches. What an incredible show those superstars put on
Here
for
are
us.
your winners, Jimmy and Jey, the Usos.
When you earn a win like that, you've got to feel pretty good about yourself.
With a win like that, you have to stand back for a moment and realize all your hard work